Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the subtitles, text size, color, and font styles on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now on the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, in here, scroll down to the hearing section and tap on Subtitles and Captioning. Then tap on Style. Next, to customize your subtitle style, tap on Create New Style. In here, you can change the font style, the size, and color. So first off, let's change the font style. So tap on Font. In here, you can select a different font style. If you want to have additional font, you can tap on Add Font. And from the list here, you can add in additional font. So let's say I want to use Impact. So I tap on that, and that will be selected. And you can also tap on Advanced to add in different type of fonts as well. So that is an additional option. Now, once you have selected a font style, you can take a look at the top here to view a preview of your selected font. Then tap on the back key. And next is the font size. So tap on Size. In here, you have a choice between small, medium, large, and extra large. So select a size that you would like to use. You can also turn on or turn off video override. So when a size is specified by a video, use that size. So you can override that. And after that, tap on the back key. Now tap on Color. And you can change your font color in here. So we've got cyan, blue, green, yellow, magenta, red, and black. Those are the only colors that you could select. There is no custom colors that you can choose. And that's it. So after you can tap on the back key. And that is how you can change your subtitle, font style, size, and color on the iPhone 15 series. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.